got a roller finally. All the front suspension's all installed and together. Didn't bother putting the brake calipers on for now, because I'm gonna have to take this thing apart 3 or 4 more times probably before I even need those. But it's all done. It's all finally sitting on its no jack stands, sitting under its own power. Kind of rolls. Kind of get it going. I have it blocked so it doesn't roll out of the garage right now. But it's all sitting under its own power now. Sitting on its own feet, I guess. Got a few things left to do down here. Got to finish up the truss. And then I gotta final weld everything down here. And give everything a coat of paint probably. A lot of welding on the frame left to do. When I get the motor, I guess I'll figure out what I have to do for cross members and stuff. But it's sitting on its own feet, and it is starting to come together, and I'm pretty happy about that. So I'll put the hood on and see what that looks like now with the front suspension all on. Getting a shot of the whole. So that's kind of the whole thing right now. So the front's still sitting a little bit high, but we can make some adjustments, and I'm sure once the motor goes in, it'll sit down a bit. Anyways, that's the state of the thing right now. State of the truck. I think it's pretty cool. Thanks.